evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV as a breaking news. Viewers, as many as 13 Trinamool Congress MPs led by Shukhendu Shekhar Rai and Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar met West Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari at a BJP minister residence on today Monday, a move that comes amid growing speculations of a split in the Mamata Banerjee-led party. These MPs also plan to write a letter to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla requesting that they be allotted seats as a separate faction. The names likely among the legislators who met Adhikari include Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar, Partho Bhomik, Jagdish Basunia, Mitali Bagh, Dev, Shatabdi Rai, Rachana Banerjee, Sharmila Sarkar, Kalipada Soren, Arup Chakraborty, Ashit Mal, Shatrughan Sinha, Prasun Banerjee, Pratima Mondol, Bapi Haldar. Notably, except for Shukhendu Shekhar Rai, a Rajya Sabha member, the other likely names are of Lok Sabha MPs. If there is a rebellion within the Trinamool Congress, then the rebel legislators would require a two-third majority, that means 19 seats, in the Lok Sabha to avoid expulsion under the 10th schedule of the Constitution. Just earlier in the day, Shukhendu Shekhar Rai resigned from the Rajya Sabha and quit the Trinamool Congress, alleging that the Mamata Banerjee-led government was married by corruption and atrocities against women. He later also said since he demanded an internal inquiry into the role of police officer in the RG Kar hospital rape murder case, he had been increasingly isolated with the party. My only fault was that I demanded an internal inquiry against certain police officers because I believed they had a major role in destruction of evidence. That was the turning point. I realized I would not remain in the party for long, he told reporters. Behind the exclusive report.